Cruz and Olympia Saing can proceed to inventory. John Lawrence Cruz and Olympia Saing to inventory, please.
I'm the pusher. Here, the
Pusher.
pusher.
I'm the pusher today.
Mommy's the pusher.
Stay O na lang.
P.O. You can get P.O.
Yan.
Cheesehan. Yung quick milk.
May ano ka pa? Oo nga pala, no? Last time day tayo.
Or never mind, you're the pusher.
Get one butter cupcake.
I just like the smell of buttercup. Please put it the pancake when you cook pancake.
Norm, baka na.
Daddy, you know why I like buttercup? Because of because it's sweet.
Come on.
Yeah. Or
Butter ito. Butter.
Because it's butter. Ha?
Meron ba tayong popcorn?
Ha?
Popcorn. Dahil may butter tayo. What are you doing?
Taking popcorn.
Why are you taking popcorn? They can see you sa camera.
This is kind of what I'm gonna do.
Where's my mushroom kill?
I'm not dropping.
Hmm?
I'm not dropping.
Okay.
Wala siya take.
Ito lang. Ano ba to? Dried mushroom.
Mommy, are you?
Parang,
Mommy, are you recording now? Hello.
Hello, lapit na ba yung bag?
Yeah.
May kilya yung ano mo?
di ba ako dito na
Coconut?
196 din, 144. Abot. Oil.
Where's Daddy?
Aka na, Ken.
Get that one.
Another one.
I do.
Pero na ako para sa ano.
Can you stop? Stop shaking the cart.
Can you tell Daddy I will get another cart? Kuha akong isa pa. Ang hirap na ito eh. Oh, you come with me.
Why are we changing?
Because the wheels
We're broken.
are broken. Yeah.
I'll follow you.
Come.
I'll follow you.
Come.
Wait,
This is good. Let's go.
wait, let me. Wait, don't run. They might think you're stealing.
Kel. Don't. You might bump someone. Cervical.
I'll put it back. I'll put it back.
Ang laksaw ka? Meron pa tayo.
Jersey, baka naman.
Or ano? Anong tawag dito?
Kel.
May sugar ka na.
Meron.
Kape. Wala na.
Rick,
Hindi tayo dito bumibili ng kape.
kape? Kanye?
Lamig.
Siguro dalawang araw na lang. Saka.
Ikaw munang bumili ng... Hoy, hoy, hoy.
Mag-tea muna
Kel.
tayo.
Oo.
Kanye.
Stop it.
Mega.
No, 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 no. Lanchi yun, sabi.
Yan. Purong liga. Doon.
We should try this new flavor.
Sarap ba ito, Ken? Sarap ba ito, Ken? Did you try that?
I already tried it.
Masarap din yan.
Of course. Of course it is.
Of course not.
Of course it is. This one. Daddy, I tried this snack before.
Oh, no.
I tried the snack before. I'm not sure.
Baldi-baldi na lang.
No. Ha?
Buong malak.
Ito?
Ayan.
May Milo.
Bata Queen.
Ganyan.
Isa na lang ng ganito. Isa pang ganito. 150.
Oh yeah, Bisco. Wait.
Ay, yung maliit pala yung 92. Maliit lang.
Wait, the Bisco?
92. Tapos ito, 157. Ay, malaki na lang.
I like, I'm gonna have Bisco.
Meron pa ba tayong ano?
Sabon ko.
Sabon? Wala na, no?
Doon na lang ako.
Okay.
Bibili na tayo guys.
Ano tayo ko? Teacher, unahin mo na.
Na?
Red
Pero,
Kuma kung ano, sinahin ni mami yung dingdong ko.
Wait.
Ay, ito na lang. Ito lang.
Tattoo.
No, that's... Ay, okay yan. Yes, oh. Alis ka mo yan.
can you get 5 pieces? Or 6 na?
Ito ulit ko.
Wait. Wait.
How many do you have?
Sa baba, lagyan ko.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Let's go.
Kami ginger po.
Ha?
Ginger.
Ano?
Ginger po.
Don't look.
Why?
Don't look. Close your eyes.
Why?
Hindi, ganito yung mga paborito ko nung bata ako. Patay na patay ako, oh. Mga
Ayan.
ganyan.
Sarap. Ito.
Parang maano yan eh,
Magala.
ma-powder, oo.
May gripo.
Colgate.
Okay na po.
Why is there a Christmas tree?
Ito. Ako, paubos na. Camello na lang. Hatiin mo.
Sige. Stop.
I just like the smell of the butter.
Break mo na ako.
That's why I want you to cook pancake and then put butter.
Huli ka dito, mababasagin naman kaya. Wala naman ta. Tapos hindi ko pala dala, no? Thank you for helping.
Marinate ng mga barbecue.
Kapag.
Wait, wait, Kel. Ako na.
Ikakat din yung mamaya. Napanggay ito yung
Tara.
kasama mo pa nga siya ito.
Kailan nito po?
Nag-limit ka na naman. Uy! Sino ka na doon? Nag-limit ka na?
Thank you. Sorry. Ilaga, di ba?